your boy Mr.Cactus. You know, I was also upload since Sunday, but we can go talk about that. Right. So today is a very lovely day for me, you know. Some packages are EJ check. So y'all will come along with me for the ride, because we're gonna pick it up and everything. I don't know how long it'll take, you know. Grenada is a slow country, and then you see we have some 80-some cases out here about. Then you know things kinda grimy. But anyways, you don't know it is. Anyways, right? So one of the reasons why y'all haven't seen anything from me, as most of y'all know, is I'm doing Cactii this year, and right now I'm more doing studies and everything because I want good grades. I want 1s and 2s, you know. I ain't looking for no 3s. I don't want 1s, but you know, get checked. Alright? So that's why you won't see me upgrading, only because now it's a little holiday ending and I ain't have no classes. That is the only reason why I'm doing a little video. So I don't know how much videos I'll get from me. Well, I might get one for Christmas and probably the Eve, although I work that day. So anyways, yeah, so that is why I didn't see me posting anything, because you know I have schoolwork to do and everything like that. I feel I want some challenges and things to do too for that Christmas, little holiday. So if all you have anything in mind, all I want to see, just suggest it now. I ain't gonna mind it. Just suggest a little thing, you know. I'm glad to do it, because every day I do man I board and I have nothing to do. Anyways, all you, we'll catch all you. Let me stop by. I don't know it's about Mr. Cactus, and I'll be building my computer for the first time. Check. So there we go. I already take out the 2 thumb screws, one in the tempered glass, and we'll do the rest, and then we'll peel off the plastic. I might make cameraman bring in the camera a little bit so they can hear the nice sound on him. You know, a little bit of ASMR. Right. I really am just now. I'm waiting for this over 2 months now. So you know, cameraman, bring in the camera, let it hear the plastic. Oh, good! Alright, so enough of this. So I put together my motherboard first, because I think that's how I see it in the Mitchell video. I can't remember. I think so. Pressing it down here, pressing it down simple. Yes, so we're working on the motherboard, right? First thing we'll do, CPU. Check. AMD Ryzen 3. Right, so the reason I'm starting with this because that's what I've seen in the YouTube videos. Yes, sir. You see the white sticker and everything, yes, sir, yes, sir. And here now, we got a fan. Check. Hold on, I'm open the fan. See that? AMD. Because Intel, we can go talk about that. So it's back mobile fan here for a little while, you know. Just for a little while. And I'll go work on my CPU and I'm inserting it into the motherboard. Start back. Right, so yeah, we're gonna put the CPU into the motherboard. So first, come in camera, we'll lift up this pin here and slide her back. Open. Push. This is delicate. Then we look for the triangle, but usually I'll learn that I just line up the words. But right, triangle and the triangle, the orange triangle, you know. Don't know if y'all seeing it, right? And you just insert it, you know. Don't touch the top. You'll press down and then you make sure that it close. Push it. Y'all didn't hear that from me. And it lock. Lovely. The CPU is in. Next thing, we'll take out the brackets here because we're not putting in that kind of fan. We're using this fan, so we'll just take out these brackets. Bruh. I got a little scared there, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Make me free though. Right. So now I'll take the fan and screw it in. Or I just took it out. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to leave on the back plate though. Let me see. Okay, so I'm supposed to leave on the back plate. And you already have thermal paste here, so just to put in the screws properly. Right. And then take on the cable. Put it to the side. Hold on, I'm gonna look for something. So 1, 2, okay. Screw it in. We're gonna put in the RAM. No 16 gigs. This is an 8 gig stick and an 8 gig stick. So 8 and 8 is not 12, it's 16. And we're just gonna put them in. Since it's 2, we just put the both in. We line up the 2 pins. Then we put in and we press them. Press it down. Bruh. I was waiting for the click and you go down and you didn't even tell me click. Alright, I'll do the same thing for this one, you know. Right. Lovely. So now, we'll just move these out of the way. I'll open the back one time. Like thumb screws, let me see. Oh, tighten it tight, man. Hold on, let me just break the seal on it. Guys, I just removed the back case and I get this bag with a manual which I wouldn't read because it's not really a manual. And then a bag of screws. Now I see 3 standoffs which I know I have to put in. So cameraman, you may need to stand up again. Alright, so no ASMR, I'm sorry, but I'm real anxious to do this. Let's see how this opening, I think it's from here. Right, so this is how it is on the inside. You know, you have a few booklets and the I/O shield. It goes behind the motherboard in the case, so let me see if I can put that in. I understand that it's very hard to do. So let me see how hard it actually is. I hope I've put in right the first time. So? I think it's like this. I mean, if you don't clip in it, I know for sure it's okay, so it clips in. Lovely. It wasn't so hard. Thought the thing was hard. Right. So just before I put in the motherboard, I'm gonna just sort out the power supply right now. Right, so now you take out the power supply now. Power cable, standard, everybody know what that look like. 4 screws, although it looks like I got those already with the computer. Case, but see what? The modem area. Right, so so that look clean and nice. Anyways, let me see how I'm mounting that. Put this to the side, put this to the side, put this over. Okay, so right, so the power supply now is going in like this. I'll put it back, stand up now. Okay, so yeah, so just put in the motherboard, set it to line up. Right, I think this should be it now. Just to screw it in, just to screw it in like this. Okay, so now take the first, let's see how much. Right, so this is motherboard screws. Alright, so I put in the screws and thing because if I had to video that for it, that video would be about 24 hours long. And then I hook in this first power cable here. So all I have to do now is just hook in the next one here, hook in these cables here and these here. I have all them behind the computer here ready to go already. It's just the thing and then just to plug them in. Right, so after about 3 hours, so after about probably 3 hours or more, I think I finished now. What do you think now is to boot it up and see if it's working. It's not to boot it up and see if it's working. So I'm moving to my room, so we'll meet all when I reach home. Alright, so I finally finished. Now I can say it's after about 4 or 5 hours outside back and we start early. So let me see if it actually will boot up. I'm done there, right? Oh, the boy man. Hey! Come on, man. Come on, show them that. Come on, show them that. Come on, man. Yeah, so I ending the vlog here, you know. Hope all have a good day, you know, good night, whatever time it is. And yeah, we'll start up in the next vlog.